If you are searching for a reliable model that you can use inside your Visual Studio Code, then Qwen 3.6 might be the one, where currently you can get it for free. Then let's start to integrate. First, go to AI and website aiand.com provide Qwen 3.6 for free. Here in product inference section, it will mention that Qwen 3.6 27 billion is currently for free. Input token $0 and output token $0. It will mention the price of all the remaining model, but this model is currently free. That's why it didn't mention any price in both the input and output token. I will show you how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code. Run inference. Use any method for your authentication. I'm going to use Google. Continue. In some case, it might to ask for the verification through your phone number. Didn't hesitate to verify it. Okay, I'll provide my name. Continue. I'm the individual developer. Continue. What will you use for code generation? Continue. Easy integration. Continue. Now you are ready to use. Everything is easy here. I'll open documentation section and the API key. You need to create your API key to use it inside the Visual Studio Code. Age and everything will be mentioned in the documentation section where we are going to use this base URL. Open your editor. You can use it inside Anti-Gravity and Visual Studio Code, but I'm familiar with VS Code. That's why go to the extension section and search for KiloCode. This is the official extension powered by KiloCode.ai. KiloCode AI coding agent, copilot and autocomplete. You can use it through the client or open code as well. But in today's video, I am going to use it through the KiloCode. After you have installed it, it will be reflected here. Open this setting icon here. Go to the provider section and go to the custom provider and click on connect. Here you need to provide provider ID, which is AI and in small letter, and display name will be the AI and in capital letter. Provider API will be the OpenAI compatible. Now we have required the base URL. I'm going to copy it from here until B1 and I'll paste it here. Now we have required the API key. I'm going to create my API key. I'll give name Qwen for free and create key. Important things, didn't share your API key with anyone. I'm going to delete my API key before video is published. I'll provide my API key here and you don't need to do anything. After that, I am going to unselect this all the model and I'm going to select only one Qwen 3.6 27 billion, which is currently available for free. You can see this is the model. To make our extension clear and submit, where it will ask model ID and name. Let's copy this from here. Copy and provide this name here. ID and name both are same. Let's submit. I think this time it will work. AI and model are now available to use. Close it. Let's see. Does it available here or not? Kilo gateway. Let's search it from here. AI and you can see AI and gateway will be reflected here. Select it and let's see does it work or not. You can see it is perfectly working and it will respond quick as well. By this way you can easily use this model in your daily life. First I'll remove this index.html file from here, where first it will read. That's why it will take more time. I didn't want to waste time here. I'll give one simple prompt, which is snake game, to try does it work and how much time it will take to analyze its performance. Till considering the next steps, I'm going to wait until it will complete. First it will read, prepare the plan, then it will start to code. Here it will mention I'll create the complete snake game in HTML index.html file. I'm going to wait until it will complete and I'll get back to you when it will complete it. Now it will complete it. It will take nearly 2 minutes to complete this task. Okay, it will complete it in 250 line of code. Let's try to run it. Play. Good. Nice. Snake is also good. Score is appear. Highest score will also appear at the top. Design is also good. I like it. Qwen is one of the trending model in the current market. By this way, you can easily use this model inside your Visual Studio Code, where it will provide decent amount of limit. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding and bye-bye.